Good day, everyone. Today, I will be presenting my report on DepEd Order Number 7 Series of 2023, also known as the Hiring Guidelines for Teacher 1 position. This presentation was prepared under the guidance of our instructor, Dr. Ricky Pante. The order aims to ensure that the hiring of Teacher 1 position within the Department of Education follows standardized, um, transparent, and merit-based process. Next. Purpose of the order. DepEd Order Number 7 Series 2023 serves the following purpose. Number 1, standardize the hiring process for Teacher 1 position. Number 2, to promote merit and fitness in the selection of teachers. Number 3, to ensure transparency and equity throughout the hiring process. Let's proceed. Scope of inclusion number 2. The guidelines cover the following levels. Number 1 is kindergarten, elementary, junior high school, and senior high school. It also applies to permanent, provisional, and contractual appointments under the Department of Education. Next. Criteria and point system. Applicants for Teacher 1 positions are evaluated based on several criteria with a total of 100 points distributed as follows. Number 1, education, 10 points. Training, 10 points. Experience, 10 points. Let Pivot LPT rating, 10 points. Classroom observation indicator or COI, 35 points. Teacher reflection form or NCOI, 25 points. Rubrics. The education criterion assesses how well the applicant qualifications align with the Civil Service Commission or CSC standard. 10 points, fully aligned and exceed CSC qualification. 7 to 9 points, fully aligned but does not exceed minimum standards. 4 to 6 points, partially aligned, and 1 to 3 points, misaligned or meet only basic requirements. Proceed to training rubrics. Okay, applicants are also evaluated based on relevant professional training. Number 1 is 7 to 10 points, 20 or more hours of relevant training. 4 to 6 points, 10 to 19 hours. 1 to 3 points, less than 10 hours. 0 points, no relevant training. Okay, let's proceed to experience rubric. Teaching or related professional experience is measured as follows. 10 points, 5 or more years of teaching or aligned industry experience. 7 to 9 points, 3 to 4 years. 4 to 6 points, 1 to 2 years. And 1 to 3 points, less than 1 year. Okay, let's proceed. Okay. Let Pivot rating. Performance in the licensure examination for teachers or LET or its equivalent is rated as 87 and above, 10 points. 83 to 86%, 9 points. 79 to 82, 8 points. 75 to 78, 7 points. 70 to 74%, 5 points. Below 70%, 3 points. Okay, let's proceed. PP is TIC or COI, Classroom Observation Indicators. The COI component worth 35 points measure actual classroom performance or demonstration teaching. It focuses on the following key aspects. Number 1, content knowledge. Number 2, teaching, delivery, and strategy. Classroom management, learning engagement. Okay, proceed. PPSD in COI, Teacher's Reflection Form. These components worth 25 points accesses the teacher's reflection skills. It measures applicants' ability to reflect on their teaching practice in terms of depth of reflection, relevance to the Philippine Professional Standard for Teacher (PPST), clarity and honesty, self-directed professional improvements. Key takes away. Take away. Aways. To memorize DepEd Order number 7, series of 2023, number 1, emphasize teachers' competency over mere credentials. Number 2, promote transparency and meritocracy in the hiring process. Number 3, focuses on actual classroom effectiveness and reflective practice. These guidelines ensures that only qualified, competent, and committed individuals are selected to teach in public school. Conclusion. In conclusion, DepEd Order number 7, series of 2023, strengthened the integrity of the hiring process for Teacher 1 position. It guarantees that recruitment is based on merit, performance, and commitment to teaching excellence. By adhering to these guidelines, DepEd continues its mission of ensuring quality education for all learners. Thank you, Dr. Ricky. And thank you, classmate, for listening. God bless us all.